Effects of bad posture on your spine, muscles, and ligaments. We all have a lot of bad posture today. We're on smartphones, we're looking down, we're looking at laptops, our heads are flexed, particularly harmful for the neck. I'm seeing teenagers now with chronic neck pain because as their head is forward over 4 hours a day on average, the muscles and ligaments stretch in the back, the muscles and ligaments in the front shorten, and it keeps our head bent forward. Very difficult for us to fix as surgeons without fusion surgery, which, as you know, I'm not really that fond of. The same is true for the lumbar spine or your low back. If you maintain good balance and posture and you're not hunched over all the time, you're going to allow your discs and joints and ligaments to function normally. If you're bent forward all the time, the discs will tend to degenerate in the front. The ligaments will tighten in the front, again, keeping you bent forward. And unless you want to look like one of those really old people that are bent over, I would be very, very careful on maintaining good posture and being mindful of it. Put the time in to get exercise, strength, keep your posture proper to avoid guys like me, because I'm going to have to operate on you if you don't do it correctly. Just trying to help you.